Wow.
Kit. Yeah.
Wow.
It's hot. Today has missed that.
Oh, that's my sister-in-law, Mary. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello, welcome back to Her Daily Wisdom Kitchen. I am Rosie. We are in Nairobi, Kenya, and today my sister-in-law Mary is going to show us how to make butternut chapatis. Thank you and enjoy the journey.
Seeds, yeah. Is it the flesh?
Mash them.
Mash them.
Preferably when they're
Still hot.
Why when they're still hot?
They're rich in calcium and iron.
And iron.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what they look like.
Yeah.
and they're nice for the children.
A good snack for the children. Now the process of mashing has started.
Yes.
You're mashing with a fork.
With the fork.
Salt and water. Or I just
Adding salt.
adding salt.
So just salt and flour.
So, yeah. Then we add shige.
Awesome, thank you.
Then we add some cinnamon.
What's this oil?
That's enough. It's enough. Flour.
When do you add water?
After I've done the mixing and after I've put the paste for butternut.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna put the mixture of flour, cinnamon, sugar, salt into the. Oh yeah, a little oil.
Yeah. So now I'm adding the flour.
Oh, just little by little.
Yeah.
Okay. Little by little is your mix. Okay. So that's the water from the butternut.
For butternut. Or unaweka mingi.
Now adding water. This is warm water.
Yeah.
Kwa rollers.
Si anataka hiyo.
How to make butternut chapati. And Mary is using both her hands.
Yeah, you're supposed to use both hands. Kwani unafanya
No, to me only one hand.
So ukipika ya mtu.
And that's my nephew Ezra. Ezra, say hi.
Hi.
There you go. You're so cute. Hakuna mtu, I'm just taking a video. Just because I love you. I want it in my video. Okay.
We'll start kneading the flour to mix. Sini haja huku. Well, si at least.
Fine.
Ufanya hivyo 15 to 30.
Whoa.
So ndio ikuwe mzuri.
Oh, you've decided to add water?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's done. Oh, you covered it.
Cover it, yeah.
Okay. And then?
Just leave it like for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah, to soak it.
Oh.
Then from there, we come
And start cooking.
Yeah.
There you go. I'll meet you when we're cooking. Oh, so we're just making them into bowls.
There's one style that you roll, then
Ama uoshe hii mkebe.
And now we begin to roll. Add a little bit of oil.
I'm thinking about you. Got money on my
That's
mind all
Mary's
the time.
style.
Still I'm thinking about
When
you.
you do this, ndo napata hizo layers.
You're the one that I want. Cause every day I be thinking about you.
There you go.
Getting high in my thoughts. In my
Back
head,
in a
you're something
little
like a tattoo. Oh mama, come and give it, nana. Oh nana, cause I be coming tonight. Fire down, I'm on the race, oh. You give me vibe, take me out to space,
Oh,
oh.
ni coconut.
And I can't complain, I'm here to stay. You did do me like a juju. Don't tell me to move.
Wewe ndiyo.
Girl, there's a
Idea.
in your bed. Baby, I'm on my way. Don't care what you say, what you say to me. Baby, I'm on my way.
Eating this
Yeah, I'm on my way.
circle. Yeah.
Baby, I'm on my way. Don't care what you do to me. Baby, I'm on my way.
Kenda mtengeneza na kuku. But you take another one.
So what's that?
That's Royco.
Royco in water.
Tablespoon.
And then goes the carrots. Or half a carrot.
So that gives it vitamin. The vitamins. A lot of vitamins.
A little bit more water. Now we're going to start chapatis. There's the first chapati. On the yeah, it looks it has that yellowish color. It looks like a pancake. Ooh. A little bit of oil. And turn it around. Oh.
Keep turning and turning until it is golden brown.
Ooh. That's looking really good actually.
Blow my mind off, feeling your energy. Big peace when I pull up in your crib. When I pull up in your crib. Come freak me, I'ma pull up on your crib. I'ma pull up on your crib. On my way.
See, the first one is for us to taste.
What you say to me, baby, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. Don't care what you do to me, baby, I'm on my way.
Ooh, look at that chapati. OMG. That looks really good. Butternut chapati.
It's ready now.
So we turn off the heat. Okay. That's ready to go in here. Those chapatis are looking so yummy.
Wow. It's yummy.
They look like they have eggs in them,
Yeah.
but they do not. Flour is useful.
When you're rolling, so that it doesn't stick on your
On the surface. Oh yeah. There goes Mary. Mary on the driving wheel.
Again.
So you just keep turning it.
Yeah. So that it be uniform.
So that it doesn't stick. The rest of the fun. Back to Kate's cooking station. Look at the layers. Oh, my friends. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a book. That's a perfect chapati. Wow.
Get. Here.
Wow.
It's hot. Today has missed that.
Oi.
Can't wait.
Guys. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say.
The
Chapatis.
mix, yeah.
And the butternut.
Uh-huh.
This lady is the best when it comes to making butternut chapatis. That's my sister-in-law, Mary. Thank you.
Welcome.